Imagine standing in the lush tropical rainforests of South America, surrounded by the vibrant green foliage. Suddenly, you hear the melodious calls of the striped cuckoo, beckoning you to witness one of nature's most enchanting spectacles. As you watch in awe, the male striped cuckoo, with its striking black and white plumage, begins its dance. This performance is a breathtaking display of agility and coordination. The bird leaps and twirls gracefully, its wings outstretched like a dancer's arms, while its long tail feathers ripple through the air. But what's the purpose of this mesmerizing dance? The striped cuckoo's dance serves a crucial role in its courtship ritual. It's a way for the male to express his prowess, attract potential mates, and establish territory. The more impressive the dance, the more likely it is to catch the eye of a discerning female.